Splashing into vocabulary. The story of rain boots. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to dive into a very practical and commonly used English term, rain boots. Whether it's a drizzle or a downpour, this item is essential in many people's wardrobes. But what are rain boots exactly, and why are they so named? Grab your umbrella, and let's jump into the puddle of knowledge together. Rain boots are a type of waterproof boot that extend well above the ankle to keep the feet dry in wet conditions. They are also known as Wellingtons or rubber boots and are usually made from materials like rubber or PVC. A staple in rainy climates, rain boots are designed to protect your feet from getting wet and to prevent slips on slick surfaces. Rain boots have a fascinating history. They were originally designed for the Duke of Wellington in the early 19th century, hence the nickname, Wellingtons. Originally made of leather, the modern rain boot evolved to be made from rubber, a material that was both waterproof and could be easily mass-produced. This shift in material made them accessible to people from all walks of life. While rain boots are primarily made for their functionality in wet weather, they have also made a splash in the fashion world. From vibrant colors and patterns to sleek, designer styles, rain boots have become a fashion statement for some, transcending their practical use. They are a perfect example of how a utilitarian object can become a trendy accessory. Around the world, rain boots have different names and have been adopted into various cultural wardrobes. In Britain, they might be called wellies, while in the United States, they are simply rain boots. Regardless of the name, they serve the same universal purpose: keeping your feet dry and warm in wet weather. I hope you've enjoyed this splashing journey through the world of rain boots. Not only are they essential for staying dry, but they also carry a bit of history in their soles and offer a touch of style in stormy weather. Remember, learning English isn't just about memorizing words, it's also about understanding the culture and history behind them. So the next time it rains, you might look at your rain boots a little differently. Stay curious, and see you in the next video.